What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dragonfly Mason. I'm back again with another video. I want to make this one quick, like I always say about all my other videos. But anyway, I want to make this quick. We got the green light on, so you know what that means. It means that the pump was turned on, right? So how are we looking today? How my XRP holders, the XRP army, whatever you call it, XRP squad, how you guys feeling about today's news, right? Some of you may know that we received news from the Feds. Jerome Powell spoke today, and we are currently going with a rate cut, 25 points. You know, people were expecting 50 points, but 25 points is better than no points, right? So what's going to happen next? What does it look like now? I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But we got the news that we were expecting, right? Everybody knew this. We already knew this was coming. So I don't know why individuals are a little indifferent about it. I don't know. But anyway, for this video, we're going to take a look at X. We're going to start backwards today. We're going to look at X first. Then we're going to go and check and look at the markets and see how things are performing. All right. So without further ado, let's go. All right, so looking at X here. Hey, I saw this meme. I was like, yo, let me post this, man. It's funny, this guy, the whole clown meme. Knowing the rate cuts are coming, identified that the market's already priced in. Powell states a 25-point cut. Markets turn red because the greedies want a 50-plus point cut. It's true though. It's true. People expected 50 points. Look, relax. It's gonna come with time, right? But it's funny that everyone was expecting the 50 points, and then they get upset because it's like, oh, you know, why is it not 50 but it's 25? Like, just be happy with what we got. All right, it's okay. All right. So moving along here. What I wanted to also touch on here is grayscale ETFs, XRP. So just in, the SEC approves the listing and trading of grayscale digital large cap fund covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. What is that? What is that? We knew this was coming, but now it's official, right? This is official, what we're looking at. We're looking at the ETFs, right? They're going to just start rolling in one by one, right? And what does that mean? That means that you got retirement funds, more capital, more funding flowing into crypto, right? That's incredible, right? That's good for everybody, for crypto holders, right? And again, this is just repeating what I said. This is by Watcher Guru. That just basically repeating that. What I just stated here is the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. These are the grayscale digital large cap funding for trading, funds for trading. Right. So that's good. Cryptocurrency, we're on up and up, right? All right. So let's look. You see, bubbles, crypto bubbles. Everything is green. Everything's looking good. Altcoin season. All right. So just for the sake of the video, XRP, we're going to talk about that. How is it looking right now? All right. So XRP is currently trading at $3.07. Still ranked number 3 here, with the market cap of $183.90 billion, right? For the hour, we are down 0.3%. For the day, we are up 1.2%. For the week, we're up 2.6%. For the month, we're up 0.2%. And then for the year, we're up 425%. All right. So we're still doing good. We're still doing good for the year. Now, be patient, people. Be patient, because guess what? We're currently in altcoin season. All right. So what does that mean? That means that we should start seeing some movement soon, right? So why would you want to sell your XRP now? What's funny is Last night I was just watching the charts, and we had like a dip last night because people were selling. And it was funny. I went to X, and the people on X are like, "Why would you want to sell your XRP right before the Fed speak? That is crazy, right?" So, so we know that we're in altcoin season, right? So why not hold on to what you got? You still got time to add, because we'll probably see some high numbers soon. Well, you know, higher than what we see now, but we'll probably see some high numbers soon. Maybe the $4 and the $5. It's probably going to be a repeat of what happened last year, where we went from like 50 cents up to like $1, $2. You know, we might see that again. All right, so that may be a repeat. All right, so let's go to the charts. All right, so looking at the charts, we're looking here at the weekly chart. It's still, the play is still in play right now. It's still in motion. I marked up this bullish flag pattern, right, on the weekly, and we're on the rise. We're on the rise. I think that we're probably going to see some major movement soon. I'm still thinking that we're going to hit these numbers up here to 450. Probably by the year end. People are saying $10. I think we're probably going to hit between $4.50 and $5. I could be wrong. I hope that I'm wrong, and I hope that we go higher. But I like to be more realistic, and I don't want to set my expectations too high, and then be disappointed when it doesn't. So I'm just thinking here by the end of the year, I'm thinking we're probably going to hit maybe $4.50, maybe $5. If we go higher, I would love it. I will be happy if we do. But you know, I just want to be realistic, like I'm saying. So yeah, so this is how we're looking on the weekly chart. We have some movement today. Let's see if I can pull up the 15-minute here. We had some movement today. We dropped a little bit, right? But we definitely recovered, right? This was a great recovery, because all while the feds were speaking, while Jerome Powell spoke, we had a nice drop. So you had an opportunity to buy in right here. It gave you a gift. It was Christmas today, right? It was $2.98. That was the perfect gift for anybody that was looking to buy in. I bought in. I think I missed that entry, but I probably bought in around maybe $2.99, right? But I'm still in. That's all that matters. I just rather get points on the board. Yeah, that's all that matters to me. So if you bought in around here, oh man, you are good. You're good. But anyway, so yeah, we dropped around 298, and then we recovered and we hit up to about $3.10. So this is some good bullish movement. Hey, let's just see what happens. Strap in. It's about to be a wild ride. Let me come back to you guys. All right. So with that being said, that's all I really wanted to say today. I wanted to just touch on that. I was very, very happy with the news. I don't know why it just seemed like it was like depressing when he was speaking. I don't know, but we knew that he was going to drop the rates. We knew this was coming, but it felt depressing. I don't know am I the only one that felt that? I don't know, whatever. But anyway, let's get excited because it's altcoin season. Let's see what happens this for the last quarter of the year. I'm expecting some big movements. We'll see. I hope that I'm right on that. But with that being said, people, I hope that you all are having a good night, and I'm out of here. Peace.